To make a mobile check deposit to Fidelity, start by ensuring you have the Fidelity mobile app installed on your device. If you do not have the app, download it from the App Store or Google Play. Once installed, log into your Fidelity account using your username and password. Next, navigate to the mobile deposit option within the app, which is usually found under the Transfer or Deposit menu. Select the account you want to deposit the check into, such as a brokerage or bank account. Before taking a picture of the check, make sure it is properly endorsed. Sign the back of the check and include the phrase "for mobile deposit only at Fidelity." This step is crucial to prevent the check from being deposited multiple times. Now, take a clear picture of the front and back of the check using the app's camera feature. Ensure the check is on a flat surface, well lit, and the image is not blurry. The app will guide you through the process of capturing the check images. After successfully capturing the images, review the deposit details, including the check amount and the account it will be deposited into. If everything is correct, submit the deposit. You will receive a confirmation message once the deposit has been successfully submitted. The funds will be available in your account according to Fidelity's mobile deposit policy, which is usually within a few business days. It is essential to keep the check in a safe place until the deposit has been confirmed and the funds are available in your account. After confirmation, you can safely void and dispose of the check. To avoid any issues with your mobile deposit, make sure the check is not a duplicate or a copy, and the image is clear and legible. Also, be aware of Fidelity's mobile deposit limits and any potential fees associated with the service. By following these steps and best practices, you can easily make a mobile check deposit to Fidelity using the Fidelity mobile app. This convenient service allows you to deposit checks remotely, saving you time and effort.